Our 3 glass door worktop beer bar back refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 70.5 inches. A depth of 24.5 inches. Overall height on caster wheels, we have 39 inches tall. Thickness of the worktop, we have 2 inches. 3 swing doors, and included for each door will be a separate lock. Included will be 6 adjustable shelves that can be positioned to the height of your preference. Each shelf will measure 18.5 inches in depth by 18 inches in length. Measurements apply for the 6 of the shelves, and again, each shelf can be adjusted. Interior dimensions will include 57 3/4 inches in length by 18 3/4 inches in depth. And the overall height, we have 32 inches tall. Located on the far right corner on the top will be the ETL certification along with the technical specs for this beer bar back cooler. Included will be a pamphlet and an instruction manual for the cooler, along with the keys for each lock on the 3 separate doors. Coming to the inside, on the top ceiling of the beer bar back cooler is a LED strip that will display and illuminate the products that you're advertising and storing. Coming to the bottom left corner is the temperature controller. And located on the bottom right corner is the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.